We've had Huskies for years, and their pack mentality and training them is kind of what I've taken to work. My name is Janet Pierce. I'm a professor in the School of Nursing. I am also a professor in the Department of Cell Biology and Physiology, and also in the Department of Cardiology. I have kind of what I call a pack mentality. I believe that, like Husky packs, where we work together, we play together, we study together, and anything that I have is theirs. I love mentoring students, whether they're undergraduate or graduate students. I've had several Ph.D.s, not only in nursing, but in other disciplines. And if I could give them the bug to really love science, to love looking at the mechanism of what's behind a disease, to help people, I think they'll get the bug too. I got very interested in the science of it when I was studying heart failure. I had a clinical trial and some of my patients got COVID. And afterwards they were much, much sicker. And I wanted to know why. I wanted to know the science, because I knew the science of heart failure, but what was made from this virus, what made them sick? So I had patients that couldn't get out of bed. I had mothers that couldn't take care of their children, was just kind of stuck in a recliner. I had some patients that had such brain fog they couldn't work anymore. And some of them were nurses. They couldn't do those long 12-hour shifts. You have a family member, you have someone who has heart failure, or they have post-COVID, and you say, you know they're suffering, they're disabled, they can't think, they have brain fog. We might have a treatment for them, and you can buy it off Amazon. Wouldn't that be nice? We looked at mitochondrial function, we looked at natural killer cell function, and with the patients, even though it was a small study, we gave them mushroom supplements in the morning and mushroom supplements in the evening, and they all got better. Their symptoms got better. We just have preliminary studies right now and some preliminary data, but basically my belief is it decreases your adenosine triphosphate, or what many people call ATP. And in our heart failure study, we found a point of contact instrument to actually measure ATP. So we'd like to try that with these patients. We also have a wonderful relationship with the mitochondrial core here, who helps us to look at something called mitochondrial health, and whether different treatments, let's say these mushrooms, could help the mitochondria of these patients. Because when they got better, why did they get better? Why were their symptoms less? And their mitochondria health did get better. Nursing has a caring side, but we also have a science side. And I felt like nursing has the best of both worlds. I can do the science, and I can also care for people. So I not only have the practice side, but I have the science side. So it's the best of both worlds. A lot of people say, oh, you're just sitting in the library, you sit in your office. Oh no, I actually am with patients. I get to do all those wonderful nursing things. I help them in and out of a wheelchair. I do echocardiograms on them. I draw blood from them. Those are all the kind of nursing things. So for nursing students, it's kind of fun to do because you're still practicing nursing, but then you're also collecting the science from it for the question that you have. So anybody that wants to become a scientist or a researcher, nursing is a great place to begin because you could still do your nursing and also look at the science behind it. It's fun. And at the University of Kansas, we have wonderful core facilities and people that we can work with. So come be with us. People say, can I be part of your pack? I said, you are part of the pack, so welcome to the pack. So even the honor student, do I get to be part of the pack now? I say, oh, sure, you're part of the pack. Come on, let's go to lunch, or don't worry about that. We'll work as a pack. And it's really great because, you know, I get the group together and I say, okay, pack, we need to help this person out. We need to help them with their grant, or we need to help them with their assignments.